Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Slime Wake Up Slime. And yes, you're probably saying, oh, she has a Wake Up makeup one, she has the electronic one. Yes, I have a lot of channels, and today I'm gonna be teaching you guys, or I'm gonna be making fluffy slime. I actually have never made fluffy slime with this shaving foam, and this little tight pocket. So, and this glue. So this is something new for me. So, what you want to do first is add the glue. I have school glue, but I have like Wexford. Yeah, like I haven't tried it yet, but because it's like literally it's brand new. So you need a bowl, obviously. You need a spoon. You need glue, shaving cream, and your activator, which I'm using Tide. So, you put like about how much you want. I don't know how this is not doing, guys, but it's open. Guys, I also got the other one. Oh yeah, and there's a top, so you obviously guys gotta unpack it and take out the top, or nothing will come out. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna waste my glue, so I'm obviously gonna use the little tip part. I was about to use a bowl thing, like we need to use half of it, but like I think I should not use the tip part. No, I'm not gonna use the tip part, guys. Okay. We're gonna put like half of the bottle into this. So this is very liquidy. Yeah, it's liquid. Maybe like a little bit more. Okay, I think that's good. For me, guys, like, for you, I don't know. So, this is how I do. So now we're just gonna mix it up. And the beads and glitter is optional, which I'm obviously not gonna put in because I'll decorate this after. So we're obviously gonna put shaving cream. So you gotta shake it. For this one that says here. This is fine. So yeah. Okay. So then after we're going to. Sorry guys, that was the TV. My mom turned it on. Well, my grandma turned it on. And we put this amount of shaving cream. Well, you could put as much as you want, but I'm not going to waste mine because I also have another sentiment with this. So you have to open your Tide. I'm going to put this Tide in a plastic bag after because after it'll be open and it'll be pretty bad. And you open your Tide palette thingy, your packet thingy. I can't really open it. Here. Apparently it says tear here. Is there any scissors? Oh, got it. You guys are probably saying, oh, she opened the whole thing. Yeah. So now the Tide, we don't want to put too much or too little. So we just put the perfect amount, which is, we put little by little, not like I just put on. Because right now what I just put on was, I think, we're putting right next to me. And now we're just going to stir this up. Oh yeah, guys, so far it's so good. It's actually really fluffy, and I actually like it this fluffy, but we don't obviously want to make it too fluffy because it's still sticky, but you know, it's forming, guys. It's getting there, you know. So we put more Tide because we got to put little by little. Because guys, if we put too much, if we put too much, it's just too much. Okay. Then we stir it again because we put more Tide, obviously. And we stir it and stir it until you want the right consistency. No! Please don't do this to me. Okay, that's good. So I want it like not, see, like that still has foam. And after we gotta knead it, so. Oh my gosh, guys, this is still foaming. Shaving cream. See, this slime is a very, like I'm saying, very foamy. So like, I didn't actually want it like this, but it's actually not that bad. We obviously gotta knead it. And I just noticed I just noticed that guys, I keep on saying I just noticed.
¿Qué estás haciendo, goma con qué?
Shaving foam.
That's it?
And Tide. So we obviously could put glitter or like colored in it. And I actually thought, guys, that the Tide was gonna give it like the blue color, but no. See, right now, this is overactivated because I put too much activator. Because it doesn't fully stick to it. Like, they stick to each other, but no, like sticky. You gotta knead it. It's so nice and fluffy, guys. So we're gonna leave this slime right on here, and we obviously need like a little tray or like a little table, and I don't have a little tray or a table that is clean at this moment. Not even a box. No, and I don't expect putting it on the floor. I'm not ruining this nice color, even though it's not really a color, but so it's getting there. It's just okay. So, and if you guys could see closer, just because we're just moving in. Oh my gosh, I look so short. Like, for me, I feel right now short. It's very foamy, and it's obviously because of the shaving cream. It would be better, like, if I had a nice flat base because I could put. So, I'm obviously gonna try to find a flat base. I don't know if I should find one right now, but I actually need to find a flat base. Ma? Do we have a flat base? Do we have a flat base?
Mm-hmm.
I need one. Like, I at least need a container, like a container, like a top. Oh wait, there's one right there. I know what I use. So guys, you guys want to come with me to get it? Let's see if that's one right there. No, I'm not gonna shake my legs. Look at this. It's in my closet. Shoot, my camera fell down. How many things are falling in there? Sorry guys, it's just it fell down. And yeah, so we got this flat base. It's this thing that my mom bought me. It's this little exploring thing about the world, and like, I'm obviously gonna use this side. Oh. So. Ma, look at the slime. So it's obviously a little overactivated, so yeah. I don't want to put a lot of glitter because you guys, you can literally feel the glitter. But a little glitter won't bother. So like, look, I'm gonna leave it in this nice little, this little dumpling form, okay? And I want you guys to see it, how it like literally spreads out. So I'm gonna go get something. This thing, it like spreads out. Just like, I'm actually have to put my hand in it with foam in it. Because they're probably say, why would you put foam in? More. Because there is extra foam in it, in the containers. So I had to. Guys, do you like hear it? Like, let's just do a little ASMR. That wasn't part of it, but okay. Some different slipping. No, we could do it after, guys. You know, let's just focus on kneading this. I actually really need to knead this. It literally, the container is like so dirty, but like not like dirty with dirt and stuff, like other stuff. It's just dirty in like shaving cream and glue. Guys, comment down below if I should put it, like for the next one I do, if I should like cut like some slime, put it in there, and take all the excess. I'm gonna do it for this time, but like for next time, should I do it or should I not? Because it's like I'm actually getting tired. Like my arms are like really tired now. First, we gotta knead it before we put like anything inside. Well, I think, because like I saw that in the videos. I've kneaded fluffy slime before, but like not with this type of glue. But hopefully it turns out the same. Well, mine's turned out like not as fluffy as this one. I think because the glue, but like the glue that I used was really liquidy. The one that I have right now, it's liquid, like a lot. This just feels like a bunch of blob of shaving cream. Sorry guys, my phone keeps falling down. I mean the camera. Okay, turn it off. Okay. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna show my mom. Ma.
Nice.
You guys are probably saying like, wait, what? Her mom was in here. She's so quiet. Yeah, my mom's really quiet. Oh yes, guys. We're making some business here. Not bad. Not bad. Guys, I'm obviously gonna show. You know how my grandma, she turned on the TV? You guys are amazing. Look, your grandma's in here. No. She turned on the TV by accident, and then from this room, so she got the wrong control. And yeah. My grandma she gave me a bag of stuff that I could take to Canada. And yes, guys, I'm going to Canada for summer. Even though I'm in Miami, I'm going to Canada. Yeah, look. It smells really good. Let's make a swirl with it. And guys, I'm like sick. Guys, I am really sick. Oh my gosh, that comes out like I hate my camera doing that. Cause you guys, I still don't have like the stand for it. I only have the camera and yeah. We are obviously gonna use some of this glitter. I'm not gonna expect to use, cause like I got a bunch of glitter. I got 4. I got this one. I got this one. I think those are like darker ones. I'm probably gonna use this one or the one from the other one. One of these two. I got this one. I don't know, guys. I don't think I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one. Ma, can I use the whole glitter packet? Hello, mommy. Can I use the whole glitter container? The whole glitter container?
Ay, sí, chale, no molestes.
Okay. It's very hard to open because I have shaving cream in my hand. Could you open it? Could you open it, Ma? Ma? Mama!
Yeah?
Could you open it? Oh, guys, if you guys let it cool and stuff.
Go ahead, go ahead. No problem.
It's open. I'm just kidding. I didn't open it. My mom opened it for me. So we're gonna leave that right there, and we're gonna pick up the slime, put it into the container. You guys put. Why would you put it into the container if it's like a bunch of stuff? But I'm just gonna clean this. Nice and clean. Well, nice and not nice and clean. You just need it a little bit more. Some glitter's getting in there. I don't want to put the whole thing. So. Right there. Oh no. Okay, guys. See, I don't like the feeling of glitter. Like, you could sort of see it, but I'm gonna put more glitter in it. No! So guys, you guys should have seen this. You guys could see this, look. Something like that. Glitter. So it has to go on this slime, unfortunately. And you guys are asking, that's sock. Yeah, it is sock. Because I didn't want it. And like, I practically wasted all the glitter. Just a bit in there. Guys, I really want a chair. So I could sit down, and I'm actually gonna go get a chair. I'll be right back. Well, guys, come with me. Just come with me. So we're going in the chair. I have the chair in my hand right now. Let's make cameras. Okay. So this is way better. I'm actually sort of comfortable. So guys, this feels really wet. I don't understand why. So we're just gonna... Guys, guess what napkin this is from? Okay. Well, Canada, I mean United States. There's so many lands. Oh yeah. How come you have so many alarms in your phone? Oh, you guys are really saying, oh, why aren't you talking anymore? Yeah, I got like a bit distracted, but like, guys, if you just do this, like, it'll slip out of your hand. It still hasn't broke. Like, you know, like. So, I don't really like it because, like, if I do this, literally the slime goes back to the smoke. But it's okay. Like, there's like a little mini slime in here. Okay, let's see if I get like a little piece like this. And see what happens. So we got more glue. Yeah, I didn't really say. I got like glue. Only one glue. Look at this. This is a white land. I'm not being racist, but it's white land here. What the land turned into white. Little pieces of colors, but everything that was left. Okay. So guys, we still got like a glue. we still got grow. Like, I want to make slime, but like, I don't want to fluffy slime now. I want to make a regular slime, but like, not a lot of regular slime. Because we don't want to waste the glue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the container. So we obviously need the spoon. It's because like I don't want any. A whole new world, a whole new world, and no one can. Guys, comment down below if you guys watch Adele. Aladdin. If you watch Aladdin, I watched it on like a Saturday, and it was so awesome. Like, you guys, you won't even believe it. I was really, happy and excited of watching it. I'm like, now I want to watch it again. But obviously, we cannot watch it again. There's like a bunch of other movies coming out, like Dora, The Lost City of Gold. I want to watch Dora in human version. Like, I loved Dora when I was small. Like, you wouldn't even believe. Like, I wanted to be like Dora. It was pretty awesome being like Dora. Like, I was actually Dora for like for what's it called? I was Dora when I was small. How was I Dora? I used to dress like her. If they actually thought I was Dora, like Dora the Explorer, like in the movie, and they copied me, it's not true. So we obviously are gonna leave this base on here. We're gonna use some glue, and this glue is very liquidy. So, a whole new world. Guys, do you think that's enough? Like, I don't know. Oh, so it's up to the green thing. It's near the green thing, so it's like right here. It's up to here. So I've used half of it. And it's gonna be a medium, smallish slime. Guys, I'm actually gonna put one dot, not even. I didn't want this to be a lot. I didn't even want it to be fluffy. I don't even know why I put fluff in it if I don't even want it to be fluffy slime. I'm so dumb. Okay. So now I think it's overactivated. A whole new world. See, yep, it's overactivated. Literally. No one can stop us. Overactivated. It's stringy. It's weird. We're gonna use a little bit of glue. Let's see if that helps. If it helps. Maybe like put it on the spoon. Okay. Hopefully this helped. Hopefully it helped. But like, guys, I think I ruined this. A whole new world. Here, let it go right there. Guys, it's too small. I didn't want to do this, but I have no choice but to put more shaving cream on this because I just can't even. It'll be better. It'll go through some operation. Even though I have a bunch of shaving cream, I just didn't want to waste it. What an ugly slime, guys. This is not what I expected. It looks like a dog. Okay. Okay, guys, so this is the finished product of this slime. I'm trying to knead it, but it's too hard to knead. Honestly, hopefully it pokes at least. Please. No, it doesn't. So this is a fail. It's a fail one. It literally fits in my finger. I got a plastic surgery. A big fail. 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 I can't even pronounce fail. Fail. Big fail. So, no. thanks for coming, but you're not in. I actually kind of like it, but no, it's not good enough. I know. This one. This one. Oh, this one. This one is the best one. This one just melts too much and gets way too watery. I guess it's in. Because I like the sound it makes. A whole new world. A whole new world. Mommy, where are we gonna eat? I'm hungry. Oh yeah. This is definitely in my group. Okay guys, so let's stop making this slime and see the slime. I mean the stuff that my grandma is giving to me so I could take to get it out. I actually have not seen it, so let's just clean this just in case I use it with glue. So we're obviously gonna put this aside because it's not that good. First thing, let's see if it's inappropriate. Oh no, I cannot show this. This is too much. This is all I'm going to show you guys. It's okay, I'm going to show you this, guys. This, my friend gave me this necklace and it's nice. And my friend gave me this fake panda, which is not even, which I broke. And that's all. I know you guys are saying, oh my gosh, it sounds like more. Literally, that's all I want to see. I just guys didn't want to show you that I wasn't ready. So, yeah, that's all they gave me. Let's put this back in. Okay. Let's see if this has anything else. No, she's just giving me the wallet. Opens, there's some pockets in it. Pockets, my name, bills, cards. It's okay. the other one with guys. Oh my gosh, mami. Mira. Me dio esto, mayotes. She gave me a bunch of paper. Wait, something fell. Oh, guys. Remember this, ma? Mami, ¿tú te acuerdas de esto? Guys, this is private. It's family oriented. Okay. Okay. She's literally giving me coins. Ay, mami me llama. Yeah. Let's see. A bunch of it. Well, she doesn't want them. Shoot. But if she doesn't want this. Oh my gosh, this is all so old. This is for Chuck E. Cheese. Oh, I actually gotta see this. Guys, I could literally show you this all. A whole new world. Chuck E. Cheese, Chuck E. Cheese. No, I only have 2 kinds of Chuck E. Cheese. Well, I have. That's the plastic bag work. And 1 came in each plastic bag, guys. Alright. Up. Okay, she's giving me this. What is this? A corta de uña. A nail clip. This poop thingy. This new lip balm. This is private too. She's giving me earrings. Earrings. Steel earrings. How do you think this looks at me? Looks nice. I don't know if it looks nice.
¿Tú no tienes hambre, Chadia?
Yeah.
¿Qué vas a comer? ¿Te tomaste la medicina?
No.
A ver, tómate un antibiótico.
Yeah. Maybe we can make some soup. You know? So guys, that's all she gave me. I'm just put them all back in. Chuck E. Cheese coins. And my slime is still my slime. It's so
Stop it.
weird. I want noodle soup. So guys, I'm obviously gonna end this video here now. It's been like 50 minutes or like 50 hours. No, 50, I don't know. Well, I'm gonna end it here. And guys, thank you much for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And comment down below which gift you like better from the Walmart bag. And if you like the slime, and if you guys want to give me some tips, please comment down below, and I will get some of those tips. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.